buy these stuff at Costco?
Don't laugh, baby.
Is that from them from Costco?
What? What's so funny?
Cookie, this is from Costco too.
It's a
Oh no! It's grains.
Yes, there are grains and probably some
Not in our house, Jelly.
I like them, Cookie.
Oh no!
They have all kinds of
I'm
yummy
sorry
stuff.
you had to see that. It's a family show. It's supposed to be. Sorry. Stephanie.
Hi, Cookie.
Hey!
Hi.
Oh, my heart. Mi corazón. Ay, ay, ay.
You look good, Cookie.
Oh, well, yes. Of course.
Cookie, fix your fur.
No, wait. The right, the side, and that side. I got to get the nose a little bit. Hey! I see that. I look.
You look great.
Ah, te quiero muy mucho con
You look
todo.
so good.
Mi corazón, baby.
I know.
Yeah, do you know what this week is?
No, what's this week?
This week is spring break. Yay! Everybody say yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, I love it.
I love it.
No escuela this week. Yes, 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 yes.
Cookie, do you have plans for this?
I was going to go to the lodge that my brother owns, Kenny. You might know him, the Great Wolf. Have you heard of him?
Oh, I have. Yeah.
Yes, he's my uncle.
I thought he was your brother.
My other brother.
Okay, gotcha.
He's my uncle.
Kenny?
But, yes, Kenny the Wolf. Pero, they don't like felines in the water at the lodge.
That's because your fur?
Yes, you're right.
Oh, Cookie, you're
And-
so cute. I just
Oh,
can't stand it,
oh my
Cookie.
gosh.
Oh, look at it right there, right there. Is that the spot?
Oh, that's the spot, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So now I know say what I do this week for spring break because it's Oregon and we don't see the sun and it's lots of rain and we don't like water, like I say. Gambino! High five!
Say hola.
Yes! So we know what to do. So we asked you, the audience, all 45 of my Facebook friends, to tell us what we do for spring break because we're getting bored and Shelly's starting to eat the grains. It's not good. So we want to hear from you, our faithful followers. Okay? Adios. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Adios.
Adios.